This is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for checking out my channel, RV and Travel Adventures. I greatly appreciate it. I'm here in Fort Worth where it's freezing, and it'll be freezing for the next week. I'm not good in freezing temperatures. I'm from California. I'm from San Jose, California. I'm not used to freezing weather. It's hella cold here. So today I'm going to be talking about solar panels and solar panel options for your travel trailer or RV, okay? A lot of manufacturers out there, RV manufacturers specifically, are incorporating, solar-ready RVs where you can plug in some panels. Others include a certain kit. For example, there's the Overlander kit. That's become very popular by the RV manufacturers. They have a panel, 190 watt typically, and all the cabling that goes to a charge controller, and from the charge controller, all the cabling that goes to the battery, and of course all the hardware that holds the panel to the roof. Okay, so I'm on my laptop right here, and it says that kit typically sells retail for $614. Okay, it's pretty expensive, and so it's a nice option to have incorporated in your travel trailer or RV. Okay, so one of the things that a lot of these manufacturers understand, especially Go Power, is that if you have a Go Power kit, it's easy for you to add another panel that's a Go Power panel. They know that people aren't overly sophisticated about solar. Some people are super sophisticated. They can build they know solar backwards and forwards. But most of us out there just go, oh, we got a solar panel. Can I add another solar panel? Yeah, go to Go Power. They'll sell you one, okay? And just they'll tell you, they'll hold your hand and tell you how to install it. So you can buy a solar panel from Go Power. Let me scroll down on my computer here. And you can buy an Overlander 190 watt solar panel, which includes the hardware and the connections, for about $392, almost $400 after taxes. Definitely over $400 after taxes. So that's pretty expensive, especially when you compare it to the competition. Okay, so you're basically paying $400 for one 190 watt panel and the hardware to connect it to the other system on your roof. Okay. So there's other manufacturers out there. I'm going to go on my computer again. And HQST sells a 190 watt solar panel, same amperage, 9.3 amps, and they're selling theirs for $189. So for $190 plus tax, you can get a very nice solar panel. You're not paying the $400 that Go Power offers theirs at. Of course, you don't have the hardware, so you need to buy about $10 worth of hardware, maybe $20 worth of hardware to connect your two panels together and put them in that little junction box on the roof. Okay, maybe it comes up to $40, So, but it's definitely not another $200 worth of stuff. Okay, again, a lot of manufacturers like Go Power depend on your naivete and that you don't understand solar too well. That the old brain does not process all that, stuff, and you want to get some. Oh, so I should buy this 190 watt solar panel and just put it on my roof, and you're going to sell it to me for $400. Can you help me put it in? Yeah, we'll send you instructions. Oh, thank you very much. And Go Power says what to you? Thank you very much. I appreciate it. So there's other manufacturers out there. Sonali, not Somali, sells one for $190. Again, you're looking at 190 watts, 9.3 amps, solar panels, exactly the same, pretty much, and just plop it right there, okay? Again, Go Power is very, very good quality, but these other manufacturers are also very good quality too, and they all have excellent 5-star reviews. 90% of the reviews for the Sonali and the HQST are 5 stars, 90%. Once in a great while, somebody says, hey, I didn't like it how it came to my house. It came damaged, or I did not like it. It didn't work for me. But 90 to 95% say, big thumbs up. So this has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza giving you a tip on how to save money on solar. Do you like saving money? I like saving money. Anybody around here doesn't like saving money? Everybody likes saving money. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below the description. Again, thank you very much. Please leave your kind and super duper absolutely fabulous comments below the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This channel has only been around for about 15 months, and it's growing slowly, a little bit here and there. It's creeping along, but it's growing, okay? I thank you very much for being a subscriber. And if you have a chance, I'm starting to promote my Patreon page in 2021. In 2020, I did not. So I'm promoting it this year. Go to my Patreon page. It's patreon.com/JMM Garza. Very simple. Patreon.com/JMM Garza. And you can contribute any amount that you want. $1 is perfectly fine. Thank you very much ahead of time. I'm going to be using that money to, further develop this rather modest YouTube channel. From Fort Worth, Texas, I appreciate you watching my channel. Hope you're doing well wherever you're at. I got my COVID-19 shot about a couple weeks ago. I look forward to getting number 2, in a couple weeks. I can't wait for this pandemic to be over. I can't wait. Again, from Fort Worth, Texas, gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.